Hey guys, it's little brother and this is how to make purple tea.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Landy. And today we're gonna make blue tea. So first you put the blue tea flower in it. And then put hot water in it and then squeeze it until it's blue. This is already blue, so first you can remove the flower. The color of the flower before it was so good. Now it was like just bad. There's white. What's that? Why I see like some seeds. Seeds? Yes. I'm not gonna get them out. No reason. I see them. Wait, oh, finally. I get this out. Okay, good. After that, put the lemons first. So first take the lemons. Squeeze the lemons. Okay. And then squeeze it. It will turn into purple. Okay? Not pink. Yeah. Oh, no, it's purple. 3, 2, 1, squeeze it. It's turning to purple. See? Why are you turning into purple? Oh yeah, I can see mine. Whoa, that's cute. That's cool. It's like galaxy. Yeah, blue and purple. It's hard. It's sour. Don't try it. It's sour. Super sour. This is enough. It's purple. Okay. And then we put honey. Honey bunny. We're gonna go first. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh man, you go first. But I don't know how to do. Okay, I'm gonna say enough. Okay. Careful. Enough. Whoa, the color is like. Wait, it's like super cute. And it's like orange and purple. Enough. Okay. And then we mix it. Yeah. It's easy. Mix it. I don't know what's the color's gonna change. Oh. Make it lighter. Yes. The bottom looks like make it lighter. Wait, I see something. Take that over. Take it. There's another like flower thingy. I don't know what this is. Okay, now let's make this one. I don't know exactly. The color is good. Amazing. And after that we're gonna put the ice cube. It's yummy. Ice cube. Oh, it's cold. Cold. It's freezing. And dump it inside. Dump.